SpaceX has long been associated with one bold vision: colonizing Mars. Elon Musk founded the company in 2002 with the dream of making humanity a multi-planetary species. Mars seemed like the ultimate destination, a backup planet for humanity, with an atmosphere, day length, and resources that made it a candidate for long-term settlement. But recently, SpaceX has shifted its attention toward the Moon. Why the change? Mars is an extraordinary challenge. It's 6 to 9 months away by spacecraft, with a thin atmosphere, high radiation levels, and extreme cold. Any settlement would require producing food, fuel, and shelter locally, with little chance of quick resupply from Earth. The sheer distance makes every mission risky and expensive. While the vision is inspiring, the practical barriers are immense. Even the most optimistic timelines suggest decades of preparation before a permanent colony could be established. And every launch window to Mars only opens once every 26 months, limiting flexibility. The Moon, by contrast, is only 3 days away. That proximity makes missions faster, cheaper, and safer. It allows for quicker testing of life support systems, habitats, and resource extraction technologies. The Moon is a natural training ground, a place where humanity can practice living off Earth before attempting the far more difficult leap to Mars. SpaceX's Starship has already been contracted by NASA to serve as a lunar lander for the Artemis program, which aims to return humans to the Moon. Aligning with NASA's priorities ensures funding, political support, and a clear path forward. In fact, by participating in Artemis, SpaceX is not only advancing its own goals but also embedding itself in the broader framework of international cooperation around lunar exploration. The Moon also offers resources that make settlement more feasible. Water ice at its poles can be converted into drinking water, breathable oxygen, and even rocket fuel. Solar energy can be harnessed to power habitats. Musk has spoken of building a self-growing city on the Moon, an infrastructure that expands as more people arrive, using local materials to reduce dependence on Earth. This vision transforms the Moon into a stepping stone, proving humanity can live sustainably off-world and building confidence for future Mars missions. Imagine a lunar base where astronauts and engineers refine techniques for farming in regolith, recycling air and water, and manufacturing tools from local materials. Every success there reduces the unknowns for Mars. Strategically, the Moon offers economic opportunities in mining, tourism, and science. It provides geopolitical advantages, ensuring US leadership in space exploration. It's safer, with faster evacuation and resupply options compared to Mars. And it's more tangible. People can imagine lunar bases within their lifetimes, which helps maintain public enthusiasm and political will. The Moon is also a powerful symbol. Humanity's first steps beyond Earth were taken there, and returning to build a permanent presence resonates deeply with the public. For SpaceX, this symbolism translates into support, funding, and momentum. Importantly, Mars is not abandoned. Musk has emphasized that Mars remains the ultimate goal. The Moon is simply the faster, more practical way to secure humanity's future in space. By mastering survival on the Moon, SpaceX and its partners will gain the tools, technologies, and confidence needed to take the giant leap to Mars. Think of it as rehearsal. The Moon is where humanity learns how to live beyond Earth, where mistakes can be corrected quickly, and where lessons can be applied to the far harsher environment of Mars. In choosing the Moon first, SpaceX isn't abandoning Mars, it's building the bridge to get there. The Moon is humanity's rehearsal stage, the proving ground where we learn how to live beyond Earth. And once we succeed there, Mars will no longer be a distant dream, but the next logical step in humanity's expansion into the cosmos. The pivot to the Moon is not a retreat from ambition. It is a recognition that ambition must be matched with strategy, and that the fastest way to Mars is through the Moon.